Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I am going to show you a video tutorial on how to draw and color a lakeside fishing cabin composition step by step. This is the first part of the tutorial. In today's video, I will demonstrate you the drawing part of the lakeside fishing cabin. So watch the video till the end very carefully. Alright, so let's dive into it. I have started the drawing. You can see that I'm doing first the house part, cabin part, fishing cabin, and I'm using 2B pencil. You may use 2B pencil or 4B pencil. It's totally upon you. So first of all, I'm doing the roof part of the cabin. See the position of the house. Now, the drawing of the wall. Remember one thing that when you will draw anything, try to draw lightly. Because if you draw with full of finger pressure, you cannot be able to erase it properly. Therefore, it is better to draw lightly on the surface. Now I have done the door part. And one thing I have to tell you that the composition is horizontal. So don't do the composition as vertical. This is a horizontal composition. And if you draw a center line, so you can see that the house part or the fishing cabin part is on the left hand side of the center line. The fishing cabin, lakeside fishing cabin, which we are doing now, is made of wood. So I am doing the surface of the wall by some wooden plank. See, I have used some horizontal and vertical lines. In this tutorial, I will just show you the drawing part of the composition. Later, in the second part, you can see the coloring portion. One side of the cabin we can see, and these are the indoor portion little bit. So we have just completed the cabin part. Now I am doing a base or a platform. The land part. I have added some bushes over there. A coconut tree. So now I'm doing the other part of the land area and the support of the platform. These are the supports. And this is the base part, the base of the cabin. You have to keep practicing your drawing regularly. In this way, you can be able to draw anything with confident lines that will help you to create a beautiful picture. These are the horizontal lines of the platform. Now I am erasing some portion. So our cabin and the platform support has done. Now I am doing the land part and adding some fences over there. The structure of the fence will be uneven. I'm erasing some portion. I'm adding another coconut tree in front of the composition. In the next part of the video, you can see that we will color this composition in different way. We will color this through mixed media. At first, I will use watercolor on the drawing. The paint part will be only the first tone. After that, I will develop the composition with the help of pencil shading. My planning is to give the composition a monochromatic look. So I have decided it may be some sepia tone, you know. Okay, now I am doing the horizon area, the far horizon area. And now I am adding a chimney. Our composition has almost done, and here it is. See my work, you can visit to my Instagram page, and if you have any doubt or query, please text me in the comment box. I am sharing my Instagram link and previous videos link in my description box. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of my upcoming video tutorial. Thank you so much.